Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to rotate or flip a video on DaVinci. So first we're going to try the flip. So we have a video added to the timeline that is flipped already. So we're going to flip it back. So you have to select the video and then go to the inspector and then go to the video, and here you have two options. This one is horizontal flip and this one is vertical flip. So in this case we're going to do the vertical flip first. You can see it's fixed now, right? So this is how you do the vertical flip. You just click here. If you want to do horizontal flip, you have to click here. See, the bike is here now. Let's do it again. Now it's here. So this is how you do the flip on DaVinci. Okay, the next part is doing rotate. So let's say you want to rotate this video. Same procedure. So select the video, go to the inspector, go to the video, and then here you have rotation angle. You can, you can do it this way, but I have an easier way. Let's reset it first. Okay, if you write 90, it will rotate this way. If you want to go to the other side, you have to do minus 90. See, it's doing right angle and left angle this way. And if you want to completely rotate it, it's gonna be a flip, but you can put 180. See, so this is how you rotate. And if you want to do it this way, you can do it, but it's just tough to make the exact number, so I prefer just writing it down. So this is how you do flip and rotate using DaVinci. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot, and also like the video too. Thank you so much.